This is David Talbot. I'm CTO at WorkMovr, and we use app parameters in Caspio for two purposes. First, we don't want to have a lot of JavaScript code in a data page if we can avoid it, because it makes the data page look pretty complicated. But mainly because if we have the same function that's used in many data pages or several data pages, we only want that function to be stored in one place, so that when we need to make a change or an update, we just change it in one place and it propagates everywhere. Now, app parameters is not a perfect place to save code, but it's perhaps the only place in Caspio that we can do that. And so let's go through and see what we have. So here's a good example. You'll see here the translator data page is integrated into this particular other data page, okay? And so here's the code, app.js include, okay? And a slightly bigger view of that. And then the app parameters are kept in the overview under app parameters. And so you click on manage. And then you can stroll through all the app parameters. And mostly these are URLs, but we use them quite a lot for storing code, okay? So here we have the translator, okay? And so in app parameters, translator, do an edit. And you can see here, this is the code block here that's called from here, okay? This is not a very big one, but some of them are actually quite large. And so it works fairly well. It's the main reason is that we can have a single code block in many data pages, and keeps in contact with the general idea that you only want one function in one place. The downside is that app parameters is not a perfect code repository. There's no check-in, check-out, there's no versioning, rollback, or anything like that. So it's not the best there is, but it's the best we've got. We're trying to move some of this into Bitbucket, but the trouble is response time. So we'll probably keep with app parameters for quite a long time. Okay, thanks a lot.